a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from UNiceHair. They sent over their 7x5 bye-bye knots pre-everything glueless lace black with blonde highlights wig. This is how Miss Girl is looking straight out of the box. They are offering this unit in 14 all the way down to 24 inches. And if I'm thinking correctly, I received the 24 inch. Again, this is a pre-everything unit, meaning you are going to get pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and this one also comes with pre-styled baby hairs. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb in the back. You get your adjustable straps, and also it comes with a silicone strip as well. You do also get a, what's it called, a security band in a little baggie off to the side. When it comes to the lace parting space, this is a 7x5, meaning you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. I did want to also let you guys know that this is 150% density, but if you are someone who prefers frontals over closures, they also offer this unit in a 13x4, but that one is 180% density. So therefore, you know, depending on if you are a closure girl or if you are a frontal girl, there are options for you on the website. Because this is a pre-everything unit, I don't feel like it's going to take very long to install this unit, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. Now, child, I know y'all see what I see, or at least I hope y'all see what I see. Unice. Wait a minute now. Like, wait a minute. Like, I'm not right up on my mirror. Like, I'm looking in a viewfinder and also in my mirror, but like far away, this looks like it's scalp. Like it's giving scalp, and I literally, I mean, y'all just saw me. All I did was put like some foundation on the inside of the cap, and I just threw her on. Like, now the curls do need to be fixed, because y'all know I'm not a big fan of Shirley Temple curls, but I ain't have to do nothing. Wait a minute. Okay, let's just keep going. Let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNiceHair. I'm gonna keep this short, sweet, and simple. I have no cons about this unit whatsoever, and I highly recommend picking this one up. When they said pre-everything, they literally meant like pre-everything. As you guys saw, the moment that I put this unit on my head, it almost looked like it was growing like straight out of my scalp. UNice really did an amazing job with the pre-cutting, the pre-plucking, the pre-bleaching. Heck, even the baby hairs are like chef's kiss on this unit. When it comes to tangling, I haven't gotten any thus far, and when it comes to shedding, I've gotten maybe about 5 strands, if that. The hair is super soft, and I spoke about the density earlier, about how this unit is 150% density, and it does feel like UNice's 150 density. I did go in and layer this unit up a bit, and I also went in and curled it, but of course my camera would die and I wasn't paying attention, so I didn't get to record that. Hope you guys aren't too mad at me about that. Although I do have a ton of other UNice units where I've pretty much created the exact same style, so feel free to check some of those out. But yeah, like I stated earlier, I'm gonna keep this short, sweet, and simple and try not to drag it out. For me, this unit is a 10 out of 10 like UNice. Y'all are really stepping it up over there, like a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.